If you want to make your text stand out in CapCut PC, adding a shadow is one of the easiest ways to give it more depth, improve readability, and make it look more polished and professional. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a shadow in CapCut PC step by step, and I'll also show you how to customize it so it matches the style of your video. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC and go to the timeline where your text is located. Click on the text layer so it becomes selected. This is important because the shadow settings will only appear for the specific text clip you have highlighted. If you have multiple text elements on the screen, make sure you choose the one you want to edit. Now look at the editing panel on the upper right side of your screen. This is where CapCut keeps all the text customization tools. Once your text is selected, you should see different options for editing its appearance. Make sure you are under the text tab and then click or confirm that you are in the basic section. This is the main area where you can adjust things like font, size, color, and effects such as shadow. Next, scroll down through the basic text settings until you find the shadow option. When you see it, check the box to enable it. As soon as you turn it on, CapCut will apply a default shadow behind your text. Even this basic shadow can instantly improve visibility, especially if your background is busy, colorful, or bright. Now comes the fun part, customizing the shadow so it looks just right. CapCut gives you several sliders to control how the shadow appears. The first one is opacity. Opacity changes how dark or transparent the shadow looks. If you want a strong, bold shadow, increase the opacity. If you want a softer, more subtle effect, lower it a bit until it feels natural. The next setting is blur. Blur controls how sharp or soft the edges of the shadow are. A lower blur value gives you a more defined, crisp shadow, while a higher blur value creates a softer shadow that blends more smoothly into the background. If you want a modern and clean look, a little blur usually works really well. After that, you have distance. Distance moves the shadow closer to or farther away from the text. If the distance is small, the shadow stays tight behind the letters, which gives a more compact effect. If you increase the distance, the shadow appears further out and becomes more noticeable. This can help create a stronger 3D style look, but you usually want to keep it balanced so it doesn't feel too far detached from the text. Then there is angle. Angle changes the direction of the shadow, which makes it look like the light source is coming from a certain side. By adjusting the angle, you can move the shadow to the left, right, above, or below the text, depending on the style you want. This is a great way to make the text feel more natural and visually consistent with the rest of your design. As you adjust each setting, take a moment to preview how the text looks on your video. The best shadow settings often depend on the background, the font style, and the overall mood of the project. For example, if you're making a bold gaming edit, you might want a stronger shadow with more contrast. If you're creating a clean tutorial or a professional looking title, a soft shadow with lower opacity and moderate blur may look better. A good tip is to start with small adjustments and build from there. Don't push every setting too far at once because a shadow that is too dark or too blurry can make the text harder to read instead of easier. The goal is to improve clarity while still keeping the text stylish and easy on the eyes. Once you're happy with the shadow, click away or continue editing other parts of your text if needed. You can always come back and fine-tune the effect later. That's the great thing about CapCut PC. You can experiment until the text looks exactly how you want it. So to recap, the process is simple. Select your text on the timeline, go to the upper right editing panel, make sure you're under text and basic, scroll down to shadow, enable it, and then adjust opacity, blur, distance, and angle to get the perfect look. With just a few quick changes, you can turn plain text into something much more eye-catching and professional. If this video helped you learn how to add shadow in CapCut PC, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.